Hello YouTube. Well, today I am back at the Northern Nevada Railroad Museum, and I was here 3 years ago or so. The only thing I missed was the train ride. And this is April 2nd. It's the first ride of the year for 2022, and I made sure I had a ticket for this one. So it's about an hour and a half ride, and gonna enjoy this. So come on along and we will explore this together. So during the warmer weather, they've got a open car, but it's still a little chilly out. So we'll see where we go.
When the Nevada Northern reached Ely in 1906, they had the rights to build down Altman Street. Several of the Did you catch the sign? If not, don't worry. There's one attached to the side of the tunnel which you can see.
10 cats. For a poor lady, so she has some money. Hi. Thank you. Oh, you're welcome. Can I have some pop? What do you get one? What's the matter with you? I'm trying to steal two of them. Jeez. Getting greedy, aren't you?
Oh no!
Yep. Just spread them, so be careful. Looks like there's more bandits on this train than we are.
Venezuelan 100 peso note.
There you go.
Worth about 10 cents or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is
Each building represents a different cultural group that came to the White Pine County for work.
That's the Renaissance Village that I wanted to visit yesterday, but they were closed for another month.
But it's nearly diesel. They don't have any steam.
Yeah, my house is still here. And my cat's sitting in the doorway watching. He's my guard cat.
Yeah. We used to have one of those. Had her for 18 years.
Yeah, mine's 13.
My grandmother had a Siamese at 21
She's
when my
just
grandma
decided to
passed.
be a cat.
My grandma's Siamese was 21 when my grandmother died. Oh yeah. And then one of my sisters had her for 2 more years after that. Boy, that's a beauty.
Well, it's number 81 is going to the shed for the night. I think I will say goodbye to the Northern Nevada Railroad Museum for my second visit. And I'll try to put a link in below of the last one. So. Stay safe, my friends, and I will see you you down the road.